I don't wait for a man to buy me diamonds. I design the vault. I provide the luxury lifestyle. Men are just optional accessories.
With the Housewives of AI, bossed up, shining bright, successful their mamas, living their life from the boardroom to the...
Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, episode 1 of Housewives of AI. I am so excited to share my life with you. I hope you're ready for the ride. Let's see, where should I begin? Well, I am the proud mother of one brilliant 13-year-old daughter who has an IQ of 135. She is an academic genius and keeps me on my toes at all times.
Come on, Tim, you have to know the answer to this. Your test is on Friday. Okay, let's take it from the top.
She tutors college students on the weekends in the physics, calculus, and thermodynamics. Please don't ask me what any of that is.
All right, everyone, settle in. Today, we're talking about the derivative. Now, I know when you look at the syllabus, it sounds like an intimidating, overly formal math word. But stripped of all the fancy notation, a derivative is answering one very simple question. How fast is something changing right now?
I just moved my mom and my sister here from St. Louis. They now occupy the 3-bedroom guest house. I feel a lot better with them being here with me and Sean.
What's up, Granny? How was your day?
Oh, I'm fine, Sean Marie. Just working on this here puzzle.
The reason that isn't fitting properly isn't because of force. It's because the alignment is off by a few degrees at the base. Fix the angle first and it'll slide right in without any pressure.
Little girl, you're too smart for your own good. Now leave me alone, please. Girl, if you don't stop walking right in front of the TV like that, I'm gonna bust you up.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mom. Mom, why is it so hot in here? It's 90 degrees outside.
Don't you touch that air, girl. Y'all be having it so cold here, I can't even feel my toes.
I swear, around here, it's never a dull moment.
Sean Marie, come here. Why isn't this kitchen clean?
Mom said she would have Rosa clean the kitchen since I'm studying for finals this week. Now, my mama knows she said it was okay for me to skip doing chores this week.
I really don't remember saying that.
I don't care nothing about no Rosa. Back in my day, you did chores. That's the problem. There's no rules around here.
I've learned not to get in the middle of those two because I'm not trying to get popped.
Hello, my name is Rosalie, and I am here to say that woman is loco. She won't let me do my job.
Mom, do I have to do the kitchen this week? You know I have to study for finals.
No, Poopot. I'll have Rosa do it this week. Well, shoot. She knows better than to ask me anything while I'm working. I have been extremely busy lately with trying to open up 2 new businesses at the same time, which I know for me is insane. I previously worked as the top creative director for Demore Custom Design, leading the entire creative vision for the company.
The client loved the initial proposal.
Good job, team. So naturally, I've opened my design firm called Tidbits Custom Designs. I have several contracts I'm working on at the moment. Thank God for my design team. They don't play about me.
Everybody clear the lane. Big mama in the building, put some respect on my name.
Come on, team. We are swiftly approaching the deadline. I don't put my name on no mess. This is a $1 billion renovation project. We don't have time to waste. I handle very high-end clientele. I oversee several design teams responsible for multi-billion dollar projects. Yes, I do very well for myself. Ooh, no. I don't like that pattern at all. We're not decorating a funeral home, people. What else do you have back there? Because this ain't it. My second business is very dear to my heart as it involves my first love, which is music.
Yeah, barefoot on the gravel, cold nights in the dark. Started with a vision.
That beat is slamming. You like it? T-Lyric Studio was built as a space for me to use my singing and songwriting skills and for me to offer other artists a place to record and work on their own projects.
Microphone check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you hear me good, DJ?
Yeah.
Marie, let's do the first verse again. Whenever you're ready.
All right, let's do this.
I am also trying my hand at management and artist development. My first artist is Marie Soul, who hails from London, and she has an amazing voice.
Hypothetically speaking, I could be the one you call every night. Hypothetically speaking, we could turn off the world and make everything right.
I am super excited about this new venture. I know that Marie Soul has what it takes to really make it in this industry. Plus, my daughter's middle name is Marie, so that's a plus.
So what about your love life?
My love life? Ooh, y'all so nosy. Like I said before, the relationship thing just doesn't work for me. So I'm living my life free. No stress, no worries. I'm dating whenever and whoever I want.
Sometimes I feel like I'm being taken advantage of.
But we're just friends, right?
She keeps saying she wants to just be friends, but the way she gets all up on me says otherwise.
Currently, I'm dating 2 and a possible, well, Julian is my ex, but we are still seeing each other from time to time.
Now look.
Yes, we were engaged. We agreed to call things off. Long story, but he was so pitiful without me, you know. So I gave in and...
Why did you and Julian break up?
Look, I'd rather not talk about that. The other guy I'm feeling right now is Kevin. He's a little young, but we have a lot of fun.
My name is Agent Kevin Anderson, Special Task Force for the LAPD. She says I'm young, huh? I'm a grown man.
I'm the Oprah of dating. You get a day. You get a day. You get a day.
Man, I'm happy if she's happy. Besides, Julian ain't got nothing on me.
Well, thank you for a lovely evening.
Anytime. So what are you doing tomorrow night?
Julian, what are you doing here?
Yeah, Jillian, what are you doing here? On my night.
I'm not here for you, kid.
Kid? Who are you calling a kid? Old man. I got your old man.
Julian, you guys chill out. They both know that I'm not trying to be in a relationship with anyone right now. So I'm not understanding.
Man, this dude got me messed up.
Kevin, no.
Lord, would y'all look at here? Both of the men out there at the same time.
Yo, you got me messed up.
Bring it on, youngster.
Oh, hit him! Oh! Hey.
Housewives of AI. Bossed up, shining bright. Loving mamas, living that life.